Hi, my name's Dave Weber, and I'm a math teacher at the Price School. Math, it's boring stuff, right? Yeah, it doesn't have to be. And I think that's how I do my part to help keep Price the #1 school. So I think I teach more than just math. I'd like to think that I teach hope and belief and confidence. Because armed with those tools, our students can do anything. And they do. I mean, the results just speak for themselves. I've actually graduated 4 advisory classes as well, and I'm working on my 5th. And 100% of my students so far have been admitted to a 4-year university. Talk about a lesson in belief and confidence that will last them a lifetime. And whether it be in math or advisory, those kids have had someone behind them who every day was their cheerleader. Every day set a high standard for them and showed them, listen, you can reach that. You can get over that bar, no problem. You can do this. You can do anything that you want. And do you know why I believe so much? Well, part of it's because I have an administration that believes in me so much. For the last 14 years, by giving me autonomy and treating me like a professional and allowing me to be a part of and to make those decisions that are the most important to our students, they've shown me that they believe in me. So I ask you, why mess with that kind of success? The work we're doing in equity to close, actually obliterate the achievement gap, it's just too important.